Do you suffer from low excitement levels? Have you found yourself coasting through life? You may be eligible for Wheelienix. Wheelienix is the #1 recommended treatment for riders experiencing lack of thrill, flat vibes, or mild to moderate boredom. On any bike, in any mood, Wheelienix helps elevate your front wheel and your spirits. Effects may include spontaneous grinning, increased coolness, muscle tone in the forearms, inner peace, community admiration, and loss of contact with the ground. Do not take Wheelienix if you're afraid of joy, gravity, or tension. Use caution when riding near small dogs, large crowds, or anywhere you might get grounded.
Wheelienix didn't just change my riding, it changed my life.
Talk to your bike mechanic today to find out if Wheelienix is right for you. Because life's too short to keep both wheels down.
If you're watching this video, you are probably a beginner learning how to wheelie. I hope that watching another beginner also learning how to wheelie gives you a little bit of a sense for how it's going to be in your journey. Without any further ado, let's... This is a bicycle. It has 2 wheels. Most of the time, people use both. Today, we will attempt the opposite.
Alright, so it is day 1 of me trying to learn how to wheelie. The Rawrr Mantis X is my steed. We've got it in sport mode and about 87%, so that's enough to give us the full power of this thing still.
The day got off to a good start. After approximately 1 hour of trial and error, I hallucinated the Guitar Hero rock meter.
So I feel like I've unlocked something today. We've got this meter, like the Guitar Hero rock meter. In the red, when you're about to fall onto your head and ass and back, that is brake territory. And in the green, that's gas territory. It's really easy to want to pull on this brake. When you get scared, what do? You pull the brakes.
With 1 full day of practice in tow, I iced my hands.
This is from today. This is from day 1.
Rested my legs and prepared for day 2. By the way, thank you to my 1,000 subscribers. If you're not subscribed, but you're interested in this content, the economy may be down, but the subscribe button is free.
I don't know if this is actually useful, but I just figured out how to do a little bit of that. Somebody tell me that that's useful. Make me feel better.
What is it?
This is called the Rawrr. Have you heard of sur-ron?
You own a sur-ron repair shop?
Shut up.
Interested in getting this powder coated?
Yeah, dude. What do you mean? Awesome, dude. Have a good one. Oh my gosh, dude. What are the odds? So I'm gonna post his brother's company in the description for this. Whatever. I'll put it right here too. And yeah, so you guys can see. Wow, and I captured all that on slow-mo. Hilarious.
Let me know down below what color you think would look best on the Rawrr Mantis X. I was thinking something more muted, mostly just for the protection against rust. Day 3 and day 4 came and went, and I had not improved. My fingers hurt, and my soul felt off balance. Dear journal, maybe I should just stick to practicing jumps. I don't think I'll ever learn how to wheelie. No. That's not right. What did Logan tell me?
Even weight on both your hands and both your shoulders and making sure you're straight ahead.
No.
If you almost fall, immediately do the exact same thing.
No.
And don't fall. Go about 15% faster than you think you should be
That
going.
one.
Go about 15% faster than you think you should be going.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's my problem. I suck at throttle control. So when I'm trying to wheelie at low speeds, I have more torque than I know what to do with. But if I try and wheelie with less torque available to me, by the time I get the wheel up, I'll have very little left and I won't loop myself. And then I can just focus on balancing with my body.
What's another time to say? Which is speaking my head all day? Which guy sings to a word and say, you don't love me anymore? What's another
So the summer I turned wheelie, I learned some things that felt like rules. Number one, move your fear threshold.
We should take
Your fear threshold.
and push it somewhere else.
Get yourself comfortable on one wheel. Number two, learning to wheelie isn't like discovering shortcuts in Mario Kart. It's more like learning to play the guitar. Where for the first month, you're not going to be able to practice for more than 15 minutes because your hands hurt. Number three, a small power wheelie is still a wheelie. Gas yourself up, even if nobody else does. And number four, go 15% faster. Remove throttle control as a variable. You can practice throttle control after you learn how to wheelie, believe it or not. But that being said, I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.